What's up, everyone? Quick announcement on behalf of Artists for Eritrea. This is Laine. Just wanted to let everybody know, November 11, 12, and 13, events coming up. Artistsforeritrea.org. Artists for Eritrea. We throwing a big event for y'all. This is yours. This is your event. All Eritreans, Bay Area, wherever you are, come on out. Go to the site. Support. Do what you can. It's a movement. It's to protect and preserve and cultivate our arts and culture, our Eritrean arts and culture, our Artists for Eritrea. As you all know, Artists for Eritrea has created a space just to protect and preserve and cultivate the youth and our artists that are already out, just to generate more information. So with that said, we are throwing our biggest event in November 11th, 12th, and 13th. Come on out, support. Even if you're not coming, go ahead and hit that donation link. I want y'all to just be a part of the movement wherever you are. You can be anywhere in the world. Just be a part of the movement. It's a movement to protect us. It's a movement to build us. It's a movement to make us to get to the next level. It's a movement so we can participate in the world stage. It's a movement to protect our craft. It's a movement to create more. We have 9 tribes, all of us. We're gonna do this. We're gonna make it happen. Blessings. One love. Ordnafas.